Welcome to our channel. Need to download all your Google Photos? Follow these efficient methods to bulk download your entire photo library. Step 1. Open Google Photos on computer. Visit photosgoogle.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Select Photos for download. Click First Photo. Hold Shift. Click Last Photo for range selection. Step 3. Click three-dot menu and download. For smaller selections, this downloads photos as zip file. Step 4. For entire library, use Google Takeout. Visit takeout.google.com for comprehensive data export. Step 5. Select Google Photos in Takeout. Deselect other services if you only want photos downloaded. Step 6. Choose Export Settings. Select file format, size, and delivery method for your photo archive. Step 7. Create export and wait for completion. Large libraries may take hours or days to prepare. Step 8. Download archive files when ready. Google sends email when export is ready for download. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.